Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. Create or sign into your Namecheap account and verify your email to unlock purchases. Have your payment method ready, card, PayPal, or crypto, so you don't stall at checkout. Next, type your desired domain into the Namecheap search bar and review the results. Once you see availability, don't overthink it. Add a clear favorite to the cart. Make sure variations and key misspellings are checked, since you might want to secure them now. You'll now pick the details that matter. Choose the right TLD for branding and cost, COM, EO, or niche endings, and set the term length. Once done, decide on domain privacy to hide who has info. It's recommended for most users. Also choose whether to enable auto-renew and consider bundled services like email or SSL. Apply any promo codes you have and review subtotal taxes and fees. When the cart looks correct, complete the payment and follow the verification email to confirm domain ownership. This step prevents suspension. Enable two-factor authentication on your account for security. Then choose name servers, either Namecheap's default or your hosting providers, and configure DNS records like A, CNAME, and MX for your website and email. Once done, allow time for DNS propagation, usually a few minutes to up to 48 hours. If something breaks, clear browser cache, recheck DNS entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.